This is David with the-tradingstrategies.com. We're trading the 30-year bond market. We just had a report come out here about 5 minutes ago. The long term is long. The short term trend went short. I avoided that trade. I'm waiting to see if we get a long trade on the short term to kind of go in line here with the long term. If we get a signal, a normal system entry, we're going to go long. We're actually going to just try to grab 3 ticks here, right around 118.20 if this goes long. Not a lot of volume this morning. We had unemployment claims, which typically bring some pretty decent volume, but we don't really seem to have a lot today, so we may not catch a trade. Actually, I'll take my entry at 21 or better if I get a normal system entry off my pro indicator here. There we go. I'm going to jump in at 21. Just looking for 3 ticks. Some of the other videos we've done had plenty of opportunity to just grab 2 ticks. Great income off of 2 ticks, really. Even trading for 1 tick. 31 and a quarter a contract, a 10 contract trader, up $312. Then of course you got to pay your commissions, $35 to $45 depending on who your broker is and what your commission structure is. So a lot of students do that. They trade bigger contracts. They trade for just 1 or 2 quick ticks off of a short term in the direction of the long term. Have a very high percentage of winners. We'll see if that's the case today. We'll see if we can see 1 tick profit, 2 ticks profit. I'm going to go for 3 ticks profit. I get a little more aggressive, especially after a report comes out. And I like to make a nice income off these trades, and 3 ticks really is not asking for a lot. So potentially had 1 tick profit. Really won't count it as a profit until it breaks above, so we know for sure there is a fill. Now you'll see my exit's right up here, right at the high, this short-term most recent high here. I could stay in a little bit longer and see if it wants to break through and go for a little more, but I'm not really going to make this a swing trade. I pretty much like to trade the S&P and at 9:30, so if I see a good trade on the bonds before that, of course the bonds open 70 minutes early, I'll take a trade for a couple ticks, 3 ticks. And really that if I end up grabbing 2 to 3 ticks off the bonds, I've already made my daily income. I'm pretty much done for the day because that's what I'm looking to make is just a daily income. Then I go back and trade the ES, try to make 4 more ticks, 5 more ticks on ES, and then I've had a really good day, double what sometimes double, triple of what I'm usually used to making. So it just kind of shows you that the pro indicator, the tick trader course, works very well with the bond markets, works very well with the Dow Minis, the S&P, the Russell. We plan on expanding these videos soon and looking at some other markets as well, as we realize a lot of you trade different markets. So we're going to let this trade cook. Our stop's in place. We're going to let it do its thing. Just wait and see what happens. Alright, we've already had a 2-tick target made, so the 2-tick trader would have been done. Made about $600 for the day just off that small scalp right there. And we're off right there for 3 ticks. Very nice trade. Excuse that, my fax is going in the background there. So real nice trade. Again, we just used pro indicator, have a long-term chart up. We waited for the short term to go in the same direction. Scalped a quick 3 ticks. 10 contract trader after commissions up $902, and it's not even 9 o'clock in the morning. That's how you trade for income, folks. That's what I like to teach. So, have any questions, please visit our website, eminitradingstrategies.com. Thanks again for watching.